Today I'm going to show you just how simple it is to list your AI project on the A2M marketplace using the submission tool. Here we are on the official platform at A2M.1. As you can see, we already have a variety of projects listed during our current beta phase, with many more features on the way. Before we begin, it's worth noting that the system allows creators to claim existing projects by adding a verification file to their corresponding GitHub repository. Today, however, we're going to focus purely on the standard submission process. To demonstrate, I've sourced a project from the Keep Building Discord community. Let's jump over to the terminal and clone the repository. If this were your own project, it would be sitting right here on your local file system, ready for deployment. Publishing with A2M is remarkably straightforward because it only requires a single command. Simply copy the deployment command from the site, return to your terminal, and execute it. The tool will automatically scan your repository for README files, licensing, and assets. Within a few seconds, your project is officially published. If we refresh the Marketplace homepage, you'll see the Trixie Companion, a self-hosted AI agent, is now live. The system has automatically extracted its MIT license and author details. We'll be expanding these capabilities as we continue to roll out our development roadmap, but that is how quickly you can get your project discovered on A2M1.